Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Telluride wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Next, gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright. Make sure the arm locks securely into its service position to prevent it from snapping back down. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the point where the blade connects to the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade either down or up, depending on its design, to detach it. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back onto your windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it is fully seated and locked, ensuring it won't come loose during operation. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto your windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them with some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. For the best visibility and consistent performance, it is always recommended to replace both front wiper blades at the same time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.